Your body won't let you sneeze with your eyes open. Try it. You literally can't. Here's why. When you sneeze, your body triggers an automatic reflex that forces your eyes shut. It's hardwired into your nervous system. There's an old myth that your eyes will pop out if you sneeze with them open. That's completely false. But your body closes them anyway to protect your eyes from bacteria and particles flying out at 100 miles per hour. Some people have actually trained themselves to keep their eyes open during a sneeze, but it takes serious effort to fight that reflex. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, try to keep your eyes open. Spoiler alert, you'll lose. Drop a sneeze emoji if you're going to try this.